Back up. I'm gonna hit him again. Get out now. You're under arrest. You're gonna get tased again.
Get out.
3, 2, 1. Taser. Get out.
Get out.
Now.
Schaumburg, Illinois. A license plate reader on a patrol car scanned a passing vehicle and returned one result. The registered owner had a suspended license and an active arrest warrant. The officer caught up to the car in a parking lot. The driver's first question was, "How do you know my name?" The answer was, "A computer did," automatically, before the officer even got out of his car.
Isaiah? Hey, man. How you doing? You staying here?
How you know my name?
Well, because I ran your plate and you're trying to avoid me. Are you trying to avoid me or no? All right.
No, I went through the...
You're the registered owner, right?
What?
You're the registered owner. This is your car?
Wow, what's up?
Okay, so the registered owner comes back suspended, all right? And then when I realized that, you pulled into the bank, and then all of a sudden I see you, and then you're driving around. I don't know if you're trying to avoid me or you're staying here. What's the plan?
No, I'm not. I'm not avoiding you.
Okay.
I had a long night and went to the bank, and I came through the other way because I'm not trying to, you know.
Because I'll be honest, you're quick. I couldn't even catch up to you. I tried pulling you over, but...
No, you didn't, bro.
What is it?
You pulled out and then parked over there.
I parked because I was waiting for you, because you're the registered owner, and you matched the driver's license that you shouldn't be driving, because you're suspended.
Why can't I drive?
Because you're suspended.
On what chart? On what terms? On what?
What is it? I don't know, but it shows that you're suspended.
That, bro.
Well, I could look it up later on.
Kane County just arrested me.
For what?
For the same shit, bro. Like, I'm trying to
driving
deal with
suspended?
But I have the right to travel, bro. Like, I'm not no fucking child anymore. 16, I needed a permit to go work and shit. Like, with a permit.
Yeah.
Okay?
Do you have a permit?
No, I got insurance. I got whatever you need.
Okay. Can you just call it out? Can you call it out? Do you have a license on you?
Yep.
But you do or don't?
I can't show you that.
What is it?
I can't show you that. I'm parked right now. Like, y'all can pull
I saw
me
you
over
driving.
and really talk to me.
I know.
But, you know, I'm tired of the games. Y'all need to look at all that shit you got on you, bro.
Well, it's just, I mean, it's not for you.
I know, but
caution. Right?
That's fucking, man, bro. I'm not going. I'm not going. All right.
You're not going. What do you mean?
You just walked up on me like a fucking stranger, bro. Like,
how did I walk up as a stranger? All right, I saw you driving when you pulled out from Audubon. All right, and then your plate hit off my LPR, and it came back.
Hoffman or Schaumburg?
Well, where are you at right now?
Call Hoffman.
Why Hoffman?
Because that's.
Why would Hoffman come out here? We're in Schaumburg.
I don't know you guys like that, man. Like, I fucking almost got arrested for one of my homies from Schaumburg. I had to fucking slap his ass because nobody got respect. So you're not gonna disrespect me right now.
I'm not trying to disrespect you.
I'm about to go in there and talk to my lady. All right.
Okay. Is that why you came here?
Yeah, I can fucking walk home, bro. I've done that shit.
Okay.
New Braunfels, look that shit up, but you can't because it's Texas.
What?
Texas ID. I got arrested. 3 cops, bro.
Yeah.
4 fight. I didn't even start, and I got arrested. Dude didn't get arrested. Y'all are not doing y'all job. Y'all could do so much more and really charge the people. That's like, you could probably, give me a sobriety test right now. But
why would I want to do that?
But I've been chilling all night to come over here just in case. Oh, it's not open.
I know, I'm not worried about that.
It's in my bag.
I'm kind of worried while you're drinking Truly, but...
I want to know your rules. But I got to do all the fucking homework. Rules like consciously. Are we thinking? I went to jail in Texas when I moved down there to get away from this.
Yeah.
My dad died here. I don't fucking like Chicago.
Mm-hmm.
I'll fucking flip.
Why'd you come back?
Because my grandma just passed away. A lot of shit is happening, bro.
That.
Like, I'm trying to... I could be in that suit. But you know how much... You know how much fucking... You know how much Like, I don't know what y'all go through, but I know what I would have to do to put myself in that suit.
Yeah.
And I'll go to jail right now. I'll get arrested.
Why would you go to jail?
And I'll pull some shit. But like, I don't like how you walked up on me, bro. So do I have a warrant?
I mean, yeah.
Yeah. See? For a fucking car, a traffic ticket.
Yeah.
When I gotta go to court, I can't talk to y'all, but I cannot do that.
We can talk. All right. So
I want
listen,
my guns
Isaiah,
back. Why do I gotta go to the judge when a sheriff signs off as like what? The notary? Like what is that? What's that?
What do you mean?
A witness. A verbal witness.
Mm-hmm.
Why do I gotta go see the judge? Even though I'm so fucking like y'all.
Yeah.
Like I gotta go see the judge, but I can tell you my officer parole, like what the fuck? I didn't want none of that shit. Probation is the farthest I'm going. And I'm gonna fucking bite. I'm gonna bite back, bro.
Isaiah.
I'm gonna bite back.
Isaiah invoked the right to travel. This argument appears constantly in body cam footage and in courtrooms. It fails every time. The right to travel between states is constitutionally protected under the 14th Amendment. The right to operate a motor vehicle on public roads without a license is not. Courts have rejected this argument in every jurisdiction where it has been raised. An active arrest warrant is a court order directing law enforcement to take a specific person into custody. Under Illinois law and established Fourth Amendment precedent, Maryland versus Wilson and Pennsylvania versus Mimms, officers may order a subject out of a vehicle and remove them physically if necessary. Officers are not required to carry or present a physical copy of the warrant. The entry in the system is sufficient. Isaiah was going to get out of that car. The only variable was how.
Isaiah, so if you don't mind, can you step out?
No, I'm not stepping out, man.
Why not? Why not?
That's why. No, why would I give you my keys?
Okay, Isaiah, listen. All right, so I'm not gonna. I saw you driving. Okay, we're gonna be beyond that. I don't care about that. Okay,
Right.
You're suspended. I'm not gonna give you any tickets or anything like that. All right, we're gonna leave your car here. We're gonna try to make sure if they're okay, if we can leave it here. But unfortunately, the thing is, you're gonna have to come with me because I got to take you to King County.
For what?
Because you have a warrant.
I'm not going to King County.
All right.
They already got a lawsuit coming. So if y'all want another one for walking up on me, like.
Okay, well,
you know,
then you could do that later on. But
I'm not doing
right now,
nothing
you're gonna have to
later
come
on,
with us.
bro. Give me a ticket or something, and don't open my door, bro.
I'm not gonna give you a ticket. I already told you. I'm not gonna.
Y'all need a warrant to get me out this vehicle.
I don't need a
now,
warrant.
if I stepped out, bro.
Isaiah, we have a warrant. There's a warrant in our system, and it's valid.
Okay.
I've already talked. Don't open my door,
Isaiah,
bro.
you're gonna have to come with us,
I swear to
okay?
God, bro.
Okay.
I'm calling my lawyer.
Okay.
Call your lawyer.
I do not.
Isaiah.
I do not deal with this.
Listen, hey, dude. All right.
Like y'all just wanna fuck with me.
I don't even know. I've never met you.
What's today? Sunday?
Yeah.
I can't go.
Well, you're gonna go tomorrow morning to court.
No, because I have shit to do tomorrow.
Okay. Well, then.
All right, y'all don't pay my bills.
Okay.
You need a warrant to go in my house. You need a warrant to get me out this car.
I do have.
And when I pull off, you can pull me over. But you're supposed to give me a citation. That's what it is.
Yeah.
Not.
Okay, but the thing is, you have a
incriminate me.
Listen, Isaiah.
A warrant for what?
It's some traffic offense.
Can you show me the warrant? Can you show me it?
I don't have the copy of the
That's
warrant.
why. That's why y'all. That's why we are failing.
It's in the computer. Okay, so Isaiah,
bro,
you're gonna have to come with us. Okay, so
I'm not going nowhere.
Make it as easy as possible.
No.
All right. I'm doing you a favor
Not
by not
doing
giving
me a
you a
favor.
ticket, and I'm not towing the car.
No.
Okay.
I wish y'all would.
So you'd rather have the car towed and pay $500 fee and go to court again to Cook County?
But then you'll get another charge on top of this. We're making this easy on you, man.
No, you're not.
You were saying we don't have a warrant, but we do have a warrant. That's all it is,
No,
man.
you could say that shit. You need to show me the
just
warrant.
confirmed
We
it.
do
Just
have-
confirmed
yes.
our dispatch.
All right, it's from King County.
Look, I'm gonna show y'all some papers.
All right, let's not reach in the backpack, Isaiah.
Okay. Now you're coming over here threatening me.
How am I
threatening?
how am I
Yes, you
threatening
are. You walked up on me, bro.
How is that threatening?
Like I swear to God, I swear to God. Keep on.
Can I be straight with you?
What?
Listen, we have a warrant for your arrest. So whether you like it or not, you're going
I'm
to get out of the car.
not Isaiah.
You just gave us your driver's license, man.
Don't play
Bro.
games.
Okay, because then you're gonna just catch another charge now.
Bro,
And instead of going to King County, you're going to go with us.
you
and then
asked.
You're going to go to King
You
County.
asked. That's respect. But that's as far as I'm going. That's y'all want to see the government ID?
What?
That's what it is.
Yeah. All right, listen.
You walked up on me. That is a.
Listen, Isaiah. Let me
Bro,
let
you
me explain
can't
it to you.
do
Okay.
that.
Listen, you drove. I saw you driving. Your
So
car.
what?
Your car's registration hit off my LPR.
Yeah, and
all
it
right?
did a lot
it came back
It
because
did a lot of
you're the
sheriffs
registered
and
owner.
shit. It did a lot of sheriffs and shit too. But see, they see me. I hit the.
Okay,
I hit the
listen,
hazards on them
listen,
and everything.
telling
I'm
you.
trying to.
Okay,
I'm trying to do this.
I already told you. I don't
I'm
give a
trying to
shit.
do
I don't
this.
give a shit about your suspended license. I don't want to give you
Right.
tickets. I don't want you to get another court date. I don't want to tow your car because that's another $500. I understand if you're
Okay.
struggling and everything, but the thing is, there's
write
nothing.
me-
There's
so
nothing.
write me a ticket.
Listen,
Isaiah, let him
I don't
talk.
want to, but the thing is, I can't do anything about this warrant. Okay.
That's what that is. It's a
So I'm doing
citation.
you a huge favor right now
So
by not giving you
take
tickets
out your
and towing
book
your car.
and you write me that citation.
No,
you had
that's not how warrants
you
work.
need to go to court. Here's a ticket for what? My registration's bad, or is it
It just
insurance?
says traffic offense.
Thank
So that's
you.
why.
Thank
That's
you.
why.
So y'all
Okay,
y'all updated me because I don't get no mail.
Okay.
That's like stalking and
Okay.
shit.
Well then.
Mother sending you mail and shit. That's weird. Like anthrax shit. Y'all don't know how easy it is to fuck up.
Isaiah, you're gonna have to come out. Okay.
Opening my shit, bro.
Come on.
Bro,
Step out.
Bro,
Step out.
touch
Step
me.
Step
I
out.
swear to
Isaiah,
God.
just
Isaiah,
step
you're
out.
gonna get
okay?
come on.
Listen,
You're gonna get more charges.
I don't want you.
I'm gonna
I don't want you
report
coming
y'all,
with us.
Bring
Okay.
your phone with. That's fine.
We'll take your phone. We'll take everything that you want
Yeah,
from
we'll
here.
take it with
don't
you.
get to touch my shit.
Yeah, we do though, but
And my keys?
Okay.
Oh, man.
come on,
Listen, Isaiah, come on.
Isaiah,
Bro,
Isaiah, come on.
Are we doing it the hard way?
Isaiah, come on.
Don't touch me, bro.
Get out.
I'm calling my mom's right now.
Get out.
Call her in the station.
No,
Get
I'm
out.
not calling her in the
Hey,
station.
Isaiah, stop.
Get
You're not gonna
out.
You
get
are
any more
breaking and
charges.
entering, bro.
No, we're not. Okay.
Yes, you
So
are.
listen, all right.
Get out of the car.
Bro,
I
bro.
don't want you getting more
I swear
charges
to
than
God,
you
bro.
need to be. Okay.
What?
Get
Come on.
out of the car.
Let's
Bro,
go. What
bro.
are we doing? What,
Bro,
Get out
Isaiah,
of the
come on.
car.
bro, y'all have to give me time, bro. You don't get to choose.
It's been a
You don't get to
Get
fucking
out.
choose, bro.
Come on. Let's go. Isaiah, stop. Just get out.
Don't touch
out.
me. Stop fucking trying to help
out.
you. Get the fuck off me. Bro, you walked up on me, bro.
Isaiah, come on.
Get out of the car.
Isaiah, get out.
No.
Isaiah, don't try to bite me.
Bro,
dude.
I
If you
swear
try to bite
fucking
me,
God,
I swear to
if you
God.
break my fucking phone,
Get out of the car.
Isaiah, if you don't get out of the car.
call Big Mama.
Isaiah, get out of the car.
Isaiah, get out of the car right now.
Call Big Mama.
Get out of the car.
Isaiah, if you
Don't
Isaiah,
fucking touch me, bro.
Isaiah, get out of the
are you
car
gonna make
right
that
now.
Call? And then are you cool after you make the call?
Yep.
You're gonna make this one call and then you're gonna listen? Promise?
Yep.
Okay, make that call.
Y'all
Alright, we gotta
pissing
stay
me
right
off,
here
bro.
with you.
I'm shaking, bro. That's not
So are we,
good.
man. It's not good for anybody, man.
That's
You're gonna
not
get more
good.
charges, dude. Why do you do this?
No, I'm not.
Resisting is another charge.
Y'all in my shit. Get the fuck out of my car. I didn't ask you to get out of my car.
Isaiah, just make the
pass
phone
that,
call.
man.
Come on.
Bro, stop
Isaiah, come on.
fucking touching me. Bro.
Isaiah, come on. Stop.
Nope.
Isaiah, go.
Nope. Come on. I'm gonna fucking report this, bro. And I got a torn ACL.
Come
Y'all tell
on,
my
man.
shit, bro.
You want to catch
What
more
do you
charges?
want?
Let's go. You're coming.
You walked up on me. This is unlawful
Come
arrest.
on. Let's go.
This is unlawful search.
Come on.
Get out or you're going to get
go.
tased.
Go get
get
the
tased?
property manager.
You don't need
Come
to
on.
do that.
Yes, y'all
You have a
do.
warrant. You need to get
Bro,
out.
y'all
You're
are
under
just
arrest. You get out, or you're going.
get the fuck out.
Get out or you're going to get tased.
Come on.
Bro,
Isaiah, get out.
Taser, taser, taser. Get out right now.
Get out.
Taser up deployed. Taser deployed. Do it again. Do it again. Do it
Back
again.
up, back up, back up.
Back up. Back up. I'm going to hit him again. Get out now. You're under arrest. You're going to get tased again.
Get out.
3, 2, 1. Taser, taser, taser. Get out.
Get out.
Get out. Get out.
Okay.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay.
Fight, dude.
I'm not fighting.
Stop fighting.
I'm up.
Stop. Your stomach. I need your stomach. I need your stomach.
Who's got the cuffs?
I need your stomach, bro. Like, grab one.
I got his license.
Who's got cuffs?
That's you. Delgado, you got cuffs?
All right, boys. I'm done.
625 Illinois compiled statutes. 5/6-303. Driving on a suspended or revoked license. Class A misdemeanor. Up to 1 year, up to $2,500. The LPR did the work. His plate hit the reader, the system returned the suspension, and everything after that was a consequence of a choice he made before the officer arrived. 720 Illinois compiled statutes, 5/31-1. Resisting or obstructing a peace officer. Class A misdemeanor per offense. Multiple charges if resistance is repeated. He refused to exit when ordered. He physically resisted removal. Per the footage, he attempted to bite an officer during the removal. Each act is a separate count under the statute. The use of force sequence followed the Graham versus Connor standard. Officer conduct evaluated against what was known at the moment, not in hindsight. Verbal warnings were given. The taser was displayed and identified. A countdown was issued. The taser was deployed 3 times. Each deployment was preceded by a warning. The officer gets an A. He identified the stop correctly through an LPR hit. He spent nearly 10 minutes on verbal de-escalation before deploying the taser. He offered a phone call. He waived the ticket and the tow. None of that was required. He followed the use of force sequence correctly. Verbal warning, weapon displayed, countdown, deployment, redeployment only after continued resistance. Under Graham versus Connor, every step holds up. Isaiah gets a D. Every legal argument he made was wrong. The right to travel does not eliminate the requirement for a driver's license. Officers do not need a physical warrant to execute an arrest. Refusing to exit a vehicle when officers are executing a valid arrest warrant is the definition of resisting arrest under Illinois Statute 720-5/31-1. He resisted removal, attempted to bite an officer, and spent 10 minutes arguing that the officers needed documentation they were not legally required to produce. Then officers searched the vehicle. 1.7 grams of a white powdery substance. Cannabis, under 10 grams. The car he fought for 10 minutes to stay inside contained the reason he had every incentive to fight. He never said that out loud. He didn't need to. 3 takeaways. 1. A license plate reader does not require officer discretion. It scans, it returns, it flags. The stop that followed was automatic. The suspension created the stop. The warrant created the arrest. 2. The right to travel is a real constitutional right. It protects movement between states. It has never in any U.S. court eliminated the requirement for a driver's license. 3. An outstanding arrest warrant authorizes officers to order a subject out of any vehicle they occupy. Refusal to comply is a separate criminal charge on top of the warrant. Subscribe for weekly bodycam analysis. Drop a comment when the right to travel argument appears on bodycam. Does it ever work? We'll see you in the next one.
Done now? Yeah. Damn, you made it sporting, bro. What the fuck? Why'd you gotta do this?
Bro, what are y'all doing?
Are you cool now? Are you cool?
I always wanted to be tased, but what the fuck?
Bro, thank you so much, man.
Come on, y'all too much!
You're too much.
All right, here.
Bro!
Sit him up, sit him up. Hey, sit him up, sit him up. Roll him this way, roll him this way.
I have the right to travel, bro.
Sit him up, sit him up. Sit him up, bro.
And who's charging here?
I am, bro. I've been trying to talk to you the whole time.
Bro.
Why'd you go like
Schaumburg, man. I knew I was gonna have a
bro.
problem with y'all, man. I'm like, y'all.
Here, just sit.
I don't wanna sit there. My knee is torn, bro.
Stop.
Sit in a way that's
Just let me stand up, bro.
Let me pull this out so it doesn't poke in.
I swear I'll take all y'all. But, you know. That shit don't look fun. Why don't y'all go to the city and try this shit?
We're gonna make you sit here in the table. Here, sit right. So keep your legs straight so your knee don't sit. No, you are. Take a seat. Take a seat. Here's the thing.
Why y'all make me do everything? What, you think I'm gonna run? Stop making me the fucking bad guy. Like you think I'm gonna do this. You think I'm gonna... How about you watch and learn?
Stand in the shade, please. Come over here.
Here.
We gotta come check you out.
We're in the sun.
Yeah.
I can get no fucking time.
Probably, yeah.
No, he's just mad as hell.
I got a phone number for her, so when you can make a phone call, she will let him call her.
Trying to figure out why he's so agitated. Because he hates police. That's why. People hate police. That's why he's agitated.
He doesn't, right?
You hate the exactly. That doesn't give you someone. But that doesn't give you the right to stop him for no reason. So what was the reason you stopped him?
What?